like weekend outdoor fun. Instead of sitting on my bum, I always like to do outdoor pursuits. At one with nature, that is me. I like to think I'm most happy out on my bike or paddling a canoe. I love fishing by a stream, and mountaineering is a dream, but only if you have the proper clothes. Weather can be changeable, and this is why it's sensible to be prepared, cause you just never know. If you're going camping, you'll need waterproofs. If you're going sailing, you'll need waterproofs. Welly boots will stop your socks from getting soaked, which you will not enjoy, cause there's nothing worse than wet feet. A good cagoule will protect you from wind and rain that soak you through. The right clothing is a necessity. It keeps you dry and keeps you warm at night or in the early morn, so you and nature can both work as one. Enjoy a night under the stars before you head home in the car. Your choice of clothes will make your weekend fun. If you're going climbing, you'll need waterproofs. If you're going fishing, you'll need waterproofs. If you're going cycling, you'll need waterproofs. If you're going walking, you'll need waterproofs. So you pack waterproofs. Always have some waterproofs. If you're going camping,